Welcome to Car Insights, your ultimate destination for detailed car reviews, specifications, and features. If you're passionate about cars and love staying updated with the latest automotive trends, you are in the right place. Let's dive into today's video as we explore the 2025 Ford Focus RS, a performance-oriented hatchback that continues to impress enthusiasts with its thrilling driving experience, advanced technology, and refined design. The 2025 Ford Focus RS has made a bold return with a more aggressive and aerodynamic design. The front fascia features a larger grille, sleek LED headlights, and sporty air vents that enhance its overall appearance. The muscular stance and sharp body lines contribute to its performance-driven aesthetic, while the rear end boasts a sporty spoiler and dual exhaust outlets. The car sits on stylish 19-inch alloy wheels that further enhance its dynamic look. Ford offers a range of vibrant color options, allowing buyers to customize their vehicle to match their style. Under the hood, the 2025 Focus RS packs a powerful punch. It is powered by a 2.3-liter turbocharged EcoBoost engine, delivering an impressive 350 horsepower and 350 pounds-ft of torque. The engine is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, providing an engaging and responsive driving experience. The Focus RS also features all-wheel drive, which ensures exceptional traction and stability, even in challenging road conditions. The car's precise handling and adaptive suspension system make it a joy to drive on both city streets and winding roads. Step inside the cabin, and you'll find a driver-focused interior that combines sportiness with modern technology. The supportive Recaro seats come with premium upholstery and offer excellent comfort during spirited drives. The flat-bottom steering wheel and aluminum pedals add to the sporty ambience of the interior. The 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster provides customizable information, while the center touchscreen houses Ford's latest Sync 4 infotainment system. The system supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands, ensuring seamless connectivity for drivers and passengers alike. In terms of practicality, the 2025 Focus RS doesn't disappoint. The spacious interior provides ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it suitable for everyday use. The cargo area offers sufficient space for luggage or groceries, and the rear seats can be folded down to accommodate larger items. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the Focus RS remains a versatile and functional hatchback. Safety is a top priority for Ford, and the 2025 Focus RS comes equipped with a comprehensive suite of advanced safety features. Standard equipment includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The Focus RS also features a robust body structure and multiple airbags to provide maximum protection in the event of a collision. Fuel efficiency is often a concern for high-performance vehicles, but the 2025 Focus RS manages to strike a balance between power and efficiency. The EcoBoost engine incorporates advanced technology to optimize fuel consumption without compromising on performance. Drivers can also choose from various driving modes, including Eco, Normal, Sport, and Track, to tailor the car's behavior to their preferences and driving conditions. Ford has also focused on enhancing the driving experience with advanced technology. The car features an electronic limited-slip differential, which improves cornering performance and traction. The adaptive dampers continuously adjust to road conditions, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The launch control system allows drivers to achieve optimal acceleration from a standstill, making the Focus RS a formidable contender on the track. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Ford Focus RS offers excellent value for the features and performance it provides. Ford's commitment to delivering a high-quality and thrilling driving experience is evident in every aspect of this vehicle. Whether you're a driving enthusiast looking for an exhilarating ride or someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology and practicality, the Focus RS is worth considering. We hope you found this review insightful and informative. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. At Car Insights, we are dedicated to bringing you the most comprehensive car reviews and features. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Stay tuned.